Hi guys, this is how to export and submit your notes from MyShakespeare.com to Google Classroom. So once you have added your notes by highlighting, clicking the annotation feature, typing in your comments, typing in any tags to label the notes, and color coding accordingly, and hitting save. Once you've done all of that, it populates into your notebook. So if you go to the notebook tab, you should tell the notebook what act and scenes you would like to export. Here I would like to do Act 1 and all scenes. Then go ahead and just click export. You can export to PDF or to Google Drive. Some recent updates make these pretty much the same, so either one is fine with me. We'll try Google Drive this time. And once you do that, it will automatically send your PDF to Google Drive as long as the account that you signed in with over here is the same one as you're checking for your Google Drive. So hopefully you signed in using your school Google account. If not, and if you prefer it, you can go ahead and export to PDF. And that exact same document will come up, just it'll be in a PDF format. And then there will be all of your notes. Your notes will include act, scene, line numbers, the actual line that we talked about, any color coding you gave it, any tags you gave it, and the commentary that you wrote for me. Obviously, this should be original work. This should be stuff based on what we talked about in class and your own personal ideas. Once you have submitted once you have downloaded or sent to Drive your notes, then what you're going to do is go ahead and upload to Classroom just like you would any other assignment. So I'll be making an assignment that looks something like this, and you can go ahead and add your document if you did it as a PDF, or add your Drive doc if you had it directly sent to Drive, and then submit just like normal. Click Turn In. All right, thanks guys. Looking forward to reading your work. Bye.